Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Happy Addons in Elementor. This is a fantastic plugin that gives you access to over 100 additional widgets and features for Elementor, making your website design possibilities nearly endless. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your website's admin URL, which typically looks something like yoursite.com/wpadmin. Enter your username and password to access the backend of your WordPress site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage your plugins and site settings. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. You'll see a menu option labeled Plugins, hover over it, and a submenu will appear. From there, click on Add Plugin. This section is your gateway to thousands of plugins available for WordPress, allowing you to extend your site's functionality in countless ways. Now that you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar in the top right corner. This is where you'll find exactly what you're looking for. Type Happy Addons into the search bar and hit Enter. WordPress will instantly filter through all available plugins and display the results. You should see Happy Addons for Elementor appear at the top of the search results, complete with its logo and description. When you've located the Happy Addons plugin, you'll see two buttons next to it. First, click on Install Now. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin to your site. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so don't worry if you see a brief loading animation. The button will change once the installation is complete. After the installation finishes, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. Go ahead and click Activate. This step is crucial because installing a plugin doesn't automatically make it functional on your site. Activating it enables all the features and widgets that Happy Addons brings to your Elementor page builder. Once activated, Happy Addons will integrate seamlessly with your existing Elementor setup. You'll now have access to a massive library of additional widgets, including advanced sliders, countdown timers, pricing tables, testimonial carousels, and so much more. These tools will significantly enhance your design capabilities and help you create more dynamic, professional-looking pages. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated Happy Addons for Elementor, opening up a world of new design possibilities for your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.